Hi everyone, this is just a quick video to show you how to use a website called Coggle that we will be utilizing in week 1. So you go to our website, you'll click on week 1, you go down to the bottom here, and this is the link to the Coggle activity. So what you're going to do is you're going to go through this PowerPoint, you're going to explore the websites on there, and then you're going to write 2 to 3 things that you learned on the Coggle activity that's provided below the slideshow. So here's the link right here. You'll click on that. If you click the plus button, that will add a branch. You can type in what you've learned. So you could say tie hair back, for example. Then you can click off of it. You can add on to that same branch by clicking the plus sign up here, and it will add to that, and you can add another branch to that, like if it all relates back to the same thing. But if you want, if it doesn't relate back, if you just hit the plus sign anywhere around the title, then it will create a new branch for you like this. You can change the text formatting, you can add links or images. Also, I found that it's kind of finicky, so if you want to delete something, if you accidentally make a branch you don't want, you just have to go onto the branch with your mouse, you hit Control and you right click, and then you can hit delete connection and it will go away for you, just like this. Anytime you hit that, you can change the colors of the branches. You'll just have to play around with it. But it's pretty easy to use, and if it's not working for you or if you need help, please don't hesitate to reach out.